Hello naturals, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make an extreme hair growth oil for fast hair growth. Please thumbs up this video, subscribe and share with your friends if you enjoyed watching. The very first ingredient that I will be using is aloe vera. I had to cut that into tiny bits just to fit in my plate. I have done a lot of research on aloe vera and sis, aloe vera is amazing for hair growth. I kid you not, I research extensively when it comes to my DIYs that I share on this channel, so you are good. The next ingredient is my newfound fave, rosemary leaves. I used few stalks. I had to cut them into pieces to fit in my plate or bowl. I'll be using a quarter cup of olive oil. I actually chose olive oil because of its moisturizing properties and penetrating properties. So the next oil that I'm going to be using is coconut oil, and I'm going to be using that also in 1/4 cup. This is cold pressed coconut oil. The next oil that I'm going to be using is castor oil, and I'm going to be using that in 2 tablespoons. After adding in the oil, start to combine all the ingredients. In a boiling water, I placed the bowl in the pan and stirred from time to time. You just have to stand by this. This has to be in the water bath for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn off the heat and bring down the bring down the bowl to cool down completely before you sieve. For the stirring process, you can either use glass stirring rod or a wooden spatula. You can use either of both. Do not use plastic, as plastic would interfere with the oil. After 30 minutes, turn off the heat, bring down the bowl to cool down completely before you sieve. I strain the oil using a strainer and a bowl to collect the oil. Now here is the trick. You have to make sure you decant this properly after sieving so that the water from the aloe vera doesn't get into the oil. If not, it will go bad in no time, thereby altering the shelf life of this oil. With this oil, you can grow back your edges really fast. You can use this oil on areas where you are experiencing hair loss. You can use this oil to seal in moisture. You can use it as a hot oil treatment. You can add it to your deep conditioners. As you can see, my hair is dry and in need of moisture, so this oil will bring back that moisture that my hair actually needs. In this video, I'm going to be using this oil as a hot oil treatment. I've shared with you countless times in the past on how to effectively do this, and I won't be repeating that in this video. This oil is packed with so many nutrients and it should get to everywhere on your hair. I suggest you use this oil to massage your scalp every day if you really want your hair to grow out and thicken up. I know you may be wondering why I rarely use comb in my hair. I use less comb in my hair because I want to retain length. Length retention is very important, guys. It helps your hair grow longer and thicker. I love to use more of my fingers. Please let me know in the comment section which you love to use. Do you prefer to use comb at every process on your wash day, or you prefer to use your fingers? I suggest you use comb once on your wash days and your fingers most of the time. If you really want to retain length and grow your hair thicker, try to use fingers to do most of the job, because your fingers feel the knots more than combs. So your fingers should be your friend for detangling. If you watched this video up to this point, please comment for me in the comment section #gang. We have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and share this video with your friends and family. Share in your WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. Thank you so much. That's just the support I need from you. Also, drop your questions in the comment section below and I will reply you. Thank you so much for watching once again. Please stay safe out there, and I will see you in my next video by God's grace.